Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the Discord stream pause problem. Basically it will simply look something like this. Now the only reason why this appears on your Discord is to save resources when your application isn't on focus. So to fix this, let's go ahead and join a channel first. In here I'm going to share my screen, but instead of using applications, so let's say that we are sharing our game right here, which is going to be something like Apex Legends. And when you share your screen like this one and you basically minimize out of the actual Steam or the actual game, the stream will then go ahead and pause. So if you don't want that to happen, you simply want to change your stream from application to the entire screen. So in that way, when you actually move to another application, it's going to be focused on the entire screen, basically disabling that feature with Discord trying to save up resources. So that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.